Welcome to KidzByte TV, India's exclusive news and knowledge platform for kids. I am KidzByte TV anchor Vihaan Parekh, a student of Children's Academy Group of Schools. Currently, the most important topic of relevance in the 21st century is Earth and environment. Well, Earth is a beautiful habitable planet in the universe which provides us with most of our requirements. Despite the free services provided by the Earth, we are unable to pay off our kindness. We are being cruel to our Mother Earth with our selfish activities. Gandhiji once rightly said, "The Earth provides enough to satisfy everyone's needs, not everyone's greeds." So the question arises, what are the factors that destroy the environment? The answer is urbanization, industrialization, pollution, overpopulation, etc. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It is everyone's responsibility to protect. As a youth and a global citizen, we can form a green organization that changes degradable wastes into composts or manure. We can also start workshops with the local people to control the different types of pollution. We must use regenerative, reducible, reusable and recyclable techniques. The United Nations organizations and the government must take up serious actions at a global level. Thus, our single effort can take a drastic step towards saving our own motherland Earth. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to KidzByte channel. Make sure to share this important video with your friends and family. Thank you. Take care and stay safe.